decision in isolation of Section 2. Hindi po pwede yun. Binigyan po ba ng discretion, Mr. President? Was the House given the discretion to select, to withhold and select from among the 4 impeachment complaints, which will be the one to be transmitted in the Senate in derogation of the 1-year ban rule? Wala po silang discretion. Kung sila po mismo ay hindi sumusunod sa tuntunin, bakit po ngayon ay napakarami pong nagsasalita? Na parang akala mo ay ang Supreme Court pa ang nagkasala, ang nagkamali. Samantalang ito po, napakasimple po ng tuntunin, hindi kailanman sinunod. Even the 10th session day na sinasabi nila, 11th session day nung ilagay po nila sa order of business, sabi nila. They never included them in the order of business. Wala po. Nasa akin po yung kopya. Ano ba po ang pagkakamali? Mr. President, ipakita po natin yung last page ng